Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center was started by a group of really kind, compassionate providers. And they saw a gap in this community. They saw a need for health care for people who didn't have any insurance or any ability to pay for that care. And so they stepped into that space and created the first version of Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center.
And so the Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center was one of the earliest clinics in the country to get a federal grant to operate a community health center.
Anchorage Neighborhood Health is a safety net clinic, and that means that when nobody else is there for you, like we are going to catch you. And so I think their vision has grown over the last 50 years into this like beautiful building from that tiny spot in Fairview.
And Dr. Prochnow, who was my doctor, came to visit, to offer the services, and he took me in. I had high blood pressure. They sent me in an Uber from the homeless shelter directly here, and they paid for it. So when I came over in an Uber, who opens the door of it? Isn't Charlie. Oh my gosh, she's like, you must be Jose. And I'm like, well, okay, I'm here to see the doctor. And she's like, okay, come on in. She was really sweet about it. And being a social worker, I didn't realize that she was a social worker then. And I saw Dr. Prochnow, he ran some tests, and it's been amazing. The caring, the sharing, the communication, a little bit of everything. It's just the whole package in one.
Having affordable, accessible healthcare, both healthcare when things have gone wrong, but I think equally, if not more importantly, that preventative healthcare is critical. It's very personal to me that healthcare is accessible and affordable to everybody. You shouldn't need to be rich or have great finances to be able to be healthy and have healthy children and healthy elders in your home.
It seems like a lot of other places, they just don't have the time to walk out and talk with the customer about how to use their insulin or how to put on their meter. And I feel like we offer those services here, and we go the extra steps to really try and make sure that patients understand what they're using and why they're using it.
I think the best selling point for ANHC is the difference is the patient's voice matters, and so your concerns are their concerns, and it's a place of compassion. They meet you right where you're at and help you to get where you need to be. I started at the clinic in Fairview, and I've watched it come over here, and I think the legacy is amazing. It's growing.
And one of the things that Anchorage Neighborhood Health does so well for these 50 years is adapt to those changes. And so we have people in place in our leadership that are always looking to the future and understanding what's coming down the road.
The Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center now, after these last 50 years, is poised to become a major institution in the healthcare system in Anchorage, even in Alaska.
I mean, I think that the name, the Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center, just says it all. That's our legacy. When you think about a neighborhood health center, you're thinking about your neighbors and your friends.
Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center has such a strong culture because why people work here is so important. The reason people come to work at Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center is because they believe in our mission to be a trusted partner in every person's wellness and provide that integrated and compassionate and high quality care to everyone.
Look at that little head.
I just hope that as we grow, and I do see us growing in the future, that more people in this community can see that heart shining through.